Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on stopping your iPhone or iPad from showing featured photos. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app. Scroll down Settings and tap Photos. Scroll to the bottom of the Photos settings and turn off the toggle to the right of Show Featured Content. With this toggle turned off, featured photos will no longer appear in places such as For You, Search in Photos, and Memories. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.